As someone in the profession of physical therapy, I think there's a lot of overlap between PT and personal training. I've gotten to know incredible personal trainers throughout my journey, but this guy is something special. His name is...
I'm Stephen King, fitness professional, personal trainer, functional fitness trainer, and this is my home. Welcome to my home. One of the reasons why I'm self-employed is because I wasn't doing this for a career. I was doing this to create a life that I enjoyed living, right? I said to myself at the age of 34, I want to wake up every day and do something that's fulfilling and gratifying. And I've got to create this for myself. I can't find this in a job. What I'm looking for, I can't find it in a job. And so I knew that I had to go outside of my comfort zone. See, if I work in a gym, the gym gets the clients for me. A lot of folks don't want to be self-employed entrepreneurial fitness trainers because you have to do the advertising, the marketing, and you have to do the outreach to people. I didn't want to be sitting in a gym all day. I wanted to go out to different locations working with people so it could be interesting and exciting, right? To me, sitting in the same gym all day, every day is no different than going to the same workplace or work building or work office space all day, every day. With your legs on a track, they're just going to do it with the boxing mitts, go as fast as they can for 10 seconds. I got married 2009. It didn't last long. I fell into deep depression after the marriage dissolved. And somewhere in 2010, when we dissolved our relationship, I fell into depression, and it lasted over a year. September 2011, I woke up and I was alive again, and my mind was saying, you got to go back out there, you got to go back out there, you got to go back out there. So this time I said, okay, I don't want to get to the age of 75, 80, 70 saying shoulda, coulda, woulda. Man, what if I had quit the job and tried? But at the age of 80, it's too late. So my fear of reaching my elder years, senior years with regrets overshadowed my fear of not being able to pay the bills, the mortgage, utilities. So that's what took me out of my comfort zone to quit my job. I was like, I just have to do it because I don't want to get later in life and have regrets. I had a fitness client, and I remember how great she felt on this particular day when we were doing fitness. She had a stressful job with a lot of responsibility. I don't know how stressful it was, but she just had a lot of responsibility, and she had a 7-year-old son. And whenever I would first see her, she would just look tired and beat down by life. But then when we would start these fitness sessions, I could just see her start to glow, and she looked invigorated. She looked happy. She looked passionate. Looked like she felt good about herself. It's when that happened that I said, okay, I'm going to do this full time. This is what I want to do. I want to be a part of the best hour of people's days. I don't know how I'm going to figure this out, but I already did it part-time. And because I did it part-time, I quit this time. I just have to make the leap. And I got to throw away the safety net, because if I throw away the safety net, I have to succeed. And one thing I did was I saved up 4 to 6 months of my living expenses, like mortgage, utilities, groceries, gas, car insurance, etc., etc. So I knew that I had 4 to 6 months of expenses taken care of, and I could just focus on getting good at my crafts. Not just the exercise part of it, but developing relationships and rapport with people, getting comfortable with people, learning how to work with different people with different challenges and different needs. So I gave myself that 4 to 6 month financial cushion to where I didn't have to worry about money. I just put my focus on like helping people.
Oh, that's good.
That's like real fast. No, sorry, that's
You should see how tight that.
I know that I don't want to do the 9 to 5, so I'm going to jump out there again. But this time I should be better because I have experience. I did it 2 years before, so this time I come back at it and I'm more prepared because I have more knowledge, more experience, and I'll just roll with it. At 40, I was saying to myself, if I don't do this at 40, I'll probably never do it, and I'll have regrets. I'm 40. What's going to make me motivated to do this at 45, at 50, at 55, at 60? By then, I'll be mentally imprisoned and locked in. So I just had to do it, right? I'm going to be Steve. If my personality doesn't fit or work with everyone, that's okay, because I don't need to please everyone. So I'll be authentic, and what that would do is that would make it easy for me to know if I get along well with someone, and if they get along well with me. So I'd rather be authentic, and if my personality doesn't work for another person, then good. We know from the get-go that we'll have this deep of a relationship, and we have clarity and an understanding about that.
Man, you good, man.
You too.
Yeah.